Okay, you guys, so we are going to learn the double crochet in this tutorial. So the double crochet is just a little bit taller than the half double crochet. So as we're learning our stitches, the basic stitches, you just kind of get a little bit taller with each one. So we're going to make our slip knot here. Okay, and I'm going to chain 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we're going to skip this first chain and work into the second chain here, okay? So now how we're gonna make a double crochet is we're gonna start off by yarning over, insert your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through. You're gonna yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so you're gonna yarn over, insert your hook through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. You're gonna have 3 loops. I'm gonna yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. So we're gonna do that again. Yarn over, put your hook through the stitch, yarn over and pull through your stitch, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Next stitch, yarn over, put your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So these are the double crochet stitches that we're making. So let's go ahead and work all the way down the chain. Pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, through the stitch, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Almost at the end here. Last stitch. There we go. So this is what your double crochets look like. You see how they're getting taller? So that is your double crochet. So we're gonna go ahead and turn our work and work again the opposite way, just so that you can see what 2 rows look like. Now, as we're turning for the double crochet, because our stitches are a little bit taller, we're gonna need a little bit more room to work with on the ends. So here, instead of only chaining 1 like we did in the other 2 tutorials for the single crochet and the half double crochet, we're gonna chain 2 here. So now that gives us a little bit more room for a taller edge to work with our taller stitches, if that makes sense, okay? So now we're gonna turn our work. You can see both of our chains here. We're gonna start working into the first stitch right here. So again, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through our stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that all the way down the row. So yarn over, put my hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're going to do that all the way to the end. And then we'll see what 2 rows of double crochet looks like. Now, the thing with crochet is you just need to practice. It takes time, it takes practice. So don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. I've been doing this for a long time and I still have trouble sometimes. So there we go. We've got 2 rows of double crochet, nice and tall. And there you have it. So you've just learned 3 basic stitches on, you know, our beginner crochet series. So go ahead and practice those. I will be posting more beginner friendly projects. Maybe we'll start with some dishcloths. I think that would be a really nice place to start. If you have any recommendations on things that you'd like to learn or projects that you want to start on, please let me know. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's learn how to crochet.